Hi, my name is Shaheeb Rizvi. I am the COO at Piera Systems, and we're in the air treatment industry, in the air quality monitoring industry. Air pollution is becoming a worldwide health concern, and the World Health Organization has reported 7 million premature deaths per year due to poor air quality. We make air quality sensors that are more affordable, more accurate, have size-based categorization, and in real time, and spit out data in real time. And they do it much, much better and faster than other sensors on the market. Our ASIC is at the core of our technology. It's what enables us to do what we do, and has enabled us to make a reliable proof of concept of a vape sensor. Now, what our vape sensor called the Canaree does is it differentiates between vape smoke and cigarette smoke. That's just one of the very few applications of our very capable ASIC. Clean rooms are another application of our sensor. Either the sensors that are used for clean room air monitoring are very expensive or they're very bad. We aim to provide an affordable and accurate solution to air quality. In the long term, we look to develop our own air quality monitoring system and set our footprint in the market. For this video, as a demonstration of the Canaree, and you will see that there will be cigarette smoke blown at it, and there will be vape smoke blown at it. In turn, it will take in the smoke, analyze the signal, and then spit out the data on the LCD screen, whether it's vape or smoke. It'll spit out the result. And it will be done twice, and it will be done without cuts, so what you see is what you get. We hope to have our Canaree out sometime in the next year, but our sensor, the customer-ready sample, will be out in late February. For more information, go to our website at www.pierasystems.com. Thank you very much.